Hi everyone, welcome to this week's showcase. My name is Sierra and I'm with 911 Rapid Response. Today we're going to go over the Mount Carmel Borough Police Interceptor. We will start with the front. In the front, you'll see a Westin front bumper along with the wing. It does have the ions from Whelen in the front. They are blue and white, red and white. Then you'll see the Vertex mounted in the headlight. On top, you will see the Whelen Senator Duo light bar. Graphics are done by our graphic department, Mark.it Graphics. In the rear window, you will see a T-Series. In the very back, you will see a rear inner edge that is red and blue with amber override, along with T-Series lights aside of the license plate. We'll take a look at the back seat. Back here you will find a Pro-Gard safe saver partition. This does have the center slide window as well as the outboard seat belts and the window bars and door guards. And up front between the seats, there is a Havas vehicle-specific console. It does have the printer mount, cup holder, side armrest, USB chargers, and cigarette outlets. And I will get in and show you the lights. So in here, we are on switch 1. Slider 2. And slider 3. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media outlets, and we will catch you next time.